Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use QuoraBot. First, click this button to add an account category. Just give a random name, whatever you want. Click OK. And you can modify the name. You can delete this one. You can also add multiple categories if you want. Here you can import multiple accounts from a TXT or CSV file. This is the format. You have to follow the format or you will not import them. You can also export them. Since I have no accounts here, click this to add a single account. Just input your information and password. You can give a random username, whatever you want. So if you have multiple accounts, you have to use proxy, just like this. First is IP and port and username and password. Click OK. Now you can see your account on this table. Look at these tabs. You can modify, delete, refresh, enable, disable, reset your account. And click here. You can bind the fingerprint. Click here. Click one-click settings. OK. And if you've added a proxy, click bind fingerprint. It will generate a fake IP location based on your proxy. And click OK. Now I've bound fingerprint and proxy. Click here and click start. It will check my account. Here is question bank. First click module and click add to add a category. Just give a name, whatever you want, like maybe people. Click here and you can add some question like why, how, like this. And click bind, add a category, also people. You can just ignore this. Then we go to answer bank. This is answer bank. Click module, add a category, people. Click people. You have to log in your account here. So I will log in my account. So what I'm gonna do next, go to answer. So you can write your answer here. Like and write a answer name here. Click add so you can see your answer here. And the next one, so like this. Click bind, add a category. Ignore this, go to task. Here is task. Create a task. Here has some types. Ask, answer, search questions. Question follow, answer vote, answer share. First you need to search question. Search. This is task schedule. I'm not using this. Click next. Select your account. So watch out, you have to add some keywords. This is please set the keywords to be searched. Like maybe Korea, Japan, like this. This is please set the keywords that should not to be included. So I'm gonna leave it empty. Select one of the bank. Save the search results and then click complete. So this is search question task. Next, if you want to ask a question, select one of the question you want to ask and select the account. Add. So yeah, next, gonna save the result to this bank. So this is ask. Answer. So if you want to answer, you have to have question. You're gonna import question from this bank. I have nothing because I did not search. So yeah. So you're gonna add your answer here and select your account and add a question URL and click next. So I'm gonna cancel this. Next is question follow, question vote, task like vote. So you're gonna add answer link here, click import, click here. I have no answer link. You can go back to answer bank and add some link here and select your vote user. Question follow. Also, you need question URL. Import from here, also from the bank.